How to recover your Bank of America user ID for online banking. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to recover your user ID for your Bank of America, these are the methods you can follow up for that. So, we may start by navigating to the Bank of America login page. We may open up a browser for that. And once we open up the browser, we need to go over and look out for the link. Tap on it, go to bankofamerica.com and open up the login page on your screen. Now, within here, we need to head over the login page. For that, tap on the login option at the top and access your page right there. And select the link that says forgot user ID usually. So within the login page, we can easily find that option, usually right below the login option. So go ahead and tap on it. And once we tap in it, we need to provide in the email address associated with our online banking account. So for that, first of all, provide in your card or your account number, the last six digits, and right below it, the social security number or the tax ID number. So provide it up. And once we do so, we can just go over and tap on continue. And Bank of America will send you your user ID to that email address usually. If you do not find this option, what we can do is we can just go over and got for password link, or if you do not have a social security number or TIN number, you can tap on don't have that. And we need to provide in these details such as our checking, savings account number, your ATM debit card number, your ATM debit card PIN, etc. And tap on continue. And the system will guide you to receive your user ID or reset your password. Just go over and do so, and you should be able to recover your Bank of America user ID. If you're still having trouble, then you can find contact numbers on the Bank of America customer page for direct assistance. And then you may access your help and even use the specific links or processes mentioned for the private bank if you're a private bank client. And that's it. So usually this is how we do it. You may follow up this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.